Hi, I'm Margaret, and today I'm making a beautifully soft golden caramel. It's the kind of caramel that you get in Millionaire's shortbread, and you can use it in lots of other desserts too. This kind of caramel uses golden syrup as well as condensed milk. I always think condensed milk is a lovely ingredient, and I can never resist getting a spoon and just trying some straight from the can. So that's all in the pan now, and it needs to be popped over a low heat until the butter has melted and the sugar has dissolved. This needs to be stirred continuously, and I'm using a spatula so I can run the spatula across the base of the pan to make sure that nothing sticks to the bottom. It will take a little while for the butter to melt, but patience is the key here. Keep stirring in a figure of 8 so that the whole of the bottom of the pan is covered, and the butter will melt soon enough. Now when you're happy that the butter is melted and all the sugar is dissolved, you need to turn up that heat, not too very high, but just so it's bubbling steadily, and this will cook the caramel. So keep stirring and watch the colour. You'll see that slowly and surely it will start to turn a beautiful golden brown. As soon as you're happy with the colour, then turn off the heat. Give it a good stir and pop it into a sterilised jar. This caramel will thicken as it sets. I like to leave it in the fridge overnight before I use it. And if you need it to be a pouring consistency for your recipe, just leave it out of the fridge for half an hour and it'll be just right. Oh, lovely. I think I'll use this in a recipe next week. I wonder if you can guess what it's going to be. Take care, have a good week. Catch you soon.